Hi, I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. Today I'm going to be doing some yoga for your neck and shoulder care. We'll be sitting down mostly on the mat, but I will use this stool as a prop. So if you've got a stool or a chair which has a firm surface, that will be perfect for the last exercise we'll do today. The head weighs around 5 kilograms on average, and that is a lot for our neck to support, especially if we have poor posture, if we're leaning forward, texting, reading, if we're jutting our chin forward for computer work, or we're on the phone, perhaps the head's regularly tilted to the side. The shoulders, if we're lifting and we're tensing the shoulders, and sometimes we just tense our shoulders without realizing, we may get a soreness here. So this practice is going to be great for you. Or if you just want general preventative care, perhaps you want to do a warm-up before a longer yoga workout. Whatever the reason, yoga for neck and shoulders is going to be great for you. So grab your mat and come and join me. Yoga for neck and shoulders. Yoga for neck and shoulder care. Welcome. Thank you for joining me and taking time to care for your body, for your neck and your shoulders. This is going to be so worth it. So let's get going. Please sit on your yoga mat or on the floor, firm surface. So not on the sofa, ideally. You can take a comfortable seat. It might be cross-legged, but I want you to sit tall, lengthen through the spine, really lengthen right through the crown of the head, and start to engage through the core. Rest your hands down on your legs, and we're going to begin to take small circles. So imagine you're drawing a small circle with the tip of your nose. Nice and slowly begin to make your circles wider. Listen to your body and what's right for you. Move within your range of movement that works for your body. Let's reverse the circle. So nice and slow. We're warming up the neck here. We're starting to tune into the body. And this warm-up is something I learned from my teacher in India when I did my initial yoga teacher training. All right, we're going to take circles with the elbows now. We're going to warm up the shoulders. Place your hands gently onto your shoulders. Relax your shoulders down, sit tall, ground down through the sit bones. Now let's draw the elbows together, or as close as feels comfortable for you today. Begin to slowly lift the elbows until they're as high as they want to go, and feel length right down the side body. Lift up from the waist. Now rotate the elbows back. Draw your shoulder blades down and together, as though you're squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Squeeze, engage your core. Draw your elbows down. Pause here for a moment. Sit tall. Lengthen through the neck. Think about having a giraffe neck. Nice and long. All right, and then back to the original position. So inhale as we take this a little bit faster. Lengthen. Exhale, shoulder blades draw back and down. One more time. Inhale. Rise on up. Open through the back body. Exhale, open through the chest, squeeze shoulder blades, and relax your hands down. So stretches for the neck. We're going to move slowly and with care, and when we move out of a stretch, we don't want to suddenly activate the muscles and perhaps strain them. We want to do everything slowly and carefully. So just follow my cues. So side neck stretches. We're going to just gently lower your right ear down to your right shoulder. I want you to draw your shoulders downward. So that's going to help activate the stretch. It's going to bring that downward force here. And then perhaps place your right hand gently on your head just to really deepen the stretch without pulling, without kind of craning, without any too much force. So we're stretching our trapezius towards the back, our levator scapulae, our scalenes, and our sternocleidomastoid. Yeah, try saying that fast 10 times. It's a bit of a mouthful. Breathe slowly and smoothly here. Feel into the left side of the neck. And now take your hands, 2 hands either side of the head, help it back through center. So we're keeping the muscles in their relaxed, happy state. Okay, draw your shoulder blades down and now lower your head over to the left. Perhaps the left hand rests here on the head. Feeling the stretch down the right side of the neck. If you'd like to close your eyes here, it might help you focus on the sensations. Use your breath to help you find ease in the stretch, so your breath is smooth, calm, and slow. Your shoulders, your right shoulder is drawing down, the left shoulder is relaxing. And again, 2 hands, gently help your head back through center. We're going to take a stretch for the front of the neck now. So we begin by dropping the shoulders down. We're going to be stretching our longus capitis and again our sternocleidomastoid that comes across the front. So shoulders down, eye gaze to the sky, and the head follows. If you start to feel a compression in the back of the neck, just a slight ease forward. We want to stretch here, but we don't want to be causing any discomfort and injury in the back of the neck. The last stage of this stretch is to press your tongue firmly down behind your bottom front teeth. Really press. Feel that engagement. And then nice and slow and gentle, we're going to come back to upright. All right, so the last stretch will take us for the back of our neck, and we're going to use our 2 hands, base of the skull here. If you can find 2 knobbly kind of bony bits at the base of the skull, that's where we want our fingers spanning. But just generally, don't worry too much. We're just going to be doing a gentle tugging motion upwards. Draw your shoulders down and then gently release your chin down towards the chest until you feel that engagement. Relaxing your shoulders down is going to help with that sensation. Did you know your head weighs around 5 kg? And so that can be a lot of strain on the neck if we don't have good alignment. And I think we're all guilty of that sometimes. So it's great to take time to care for the neck and to stretch all the muscles with care. Keep the hands where they are with that slight lifting up sensation as you lift your head back upright and through center. Great. All right. We're going to come to your shoulders now. So we'll begin by threading the needle. We're going to be working your trapezius at the back of the neck, the deltoid at the back of the shoulder, and the rhomboids as well, heading more towards into your back. So inhale, right arm lifts to the sky. Exhale, thread the right arm through. The back of the hand is gliding along the floor. Rest your right ear down to the floor. Really feel into the back of the right shoulder. Relax your body, relax that right shoulder as much as you can. Really stretching the muscles in the back of the shoulder. Perhaps extending the left leg if you want a little extra. Breathe. And then gently come back upright. Let's do the same on the left. I'm going to switch round. You can stay just where you are if you like. Same thing again. So inhale, left hand to the sky. And exhale, thread the needle, left hand, thread it through, left ear to the mat, rest it on down. Perhaps your right leg lengthens. Oh, I don't know if I've got room here. All right. And see if you can really relax down onto your left shoulder, feeling the stretch and opening through the back of the left shoulder. Take one last slow inhalation, slow exhalation. And as you inhale, come back to all fours. I've got a lovely stretch to show you for the front of your shoulder just to finish. And I'm going to use my prop. My prop is a stool. Firm chair will do, but not a soft armchair. Come onto your hands and knees. We're going to stretch the front of the shoulder for this one, the anterior deltoid and perhaps into the pecs as well, just into the top front of chest. Place your forearm on the chair. So I'm on hands and knees. My elbow is really securely on the chair. My elbow is supported. Your wrist and your hand, they can just relax off the edge if there isn't enough room. We're going to press the right shoulder down. So the motion is a downward pressing motion. And do that until you feel a stretch through the front of the shoulder. Doesn't have to be a big movement, but just feel into the stretch and then breathe. And then let's slowly come on up out of that. And we'll take the same stretch on the other side. And don't worry if the other side feels different. You might take the stretch deeper, or you may take less, whatever your body needs. So set your stretch up, your elbow is really supported. And then press left shoulder downwards towards the earth. And you're going to be feeling something through here and perhaps up into the chest. If you're not feeling it, try changing the position of your forearm. You may put it more onto the seat. And then you may feel an activation. Breathe slowly and smoothly. Release gently, come back up through center. And hopefully you're feeling a little bit more stretched, mobile. You've got some fluid movement in the neck and the shoulders. Thank you for joining me for practice today. Namaste.